So what's good, guys? So it's gonna be my last drive in this car for a while since I'm headed back to college, and yeah, so I'm gonna do a video of what I like and what I dislike with my C43 AMG Coupe, you know. So I'll start off with what I like. You can just tell right now, like I like the interior because you know Mercedes does it the best, you know. And you got the whole carbon fiber trim right here. I got the dials for the yeah, so the interior is good. I got red wine seats, and I got this thing. I like this type of interior better than the new ones because it's like more like analog, less digital. I don't got a full-on iPad right here, so that you know. And yeah, second, that sound. I don't know if you just heard that. The exhaust on this car is nice. It's a 3-liter V6, and honestly, I think it sounds so like good stock. I got the AMG Performance exhaust, so you can turn it on and off right here. For me, like, I'm 6'2", and I have enough headspace, and it's pretty comfortable for me over here. And in the back, I can fit a little bit in the back. I can fit in the back, but it's just like not as comfortable if I was like more shorter, you know. But it's still not that bad. Acceleration of this car is pretty fast. It's pretty quick as well. On the website it says like 4.5 or something like that, but I've gotten to like 3.9 for a second 0 to 60s before. So yeah, and it has like, you just have to do brake boosting. You don't have launch control. That's one downside, but yeah, brake boosting works. Okay, so I just picked up my Burger King order. As you can see, it's right there. And yeah, I think I was talking about the mileage on this car. Yeah, so the mileage on the car is pretty shit. And I know the M340i is pretty good on mileage, but yeah, this is not that good. And yeah, I'm sorry for the last recording because I know like the head mount was like way too high, so it's probably messed it all up. But yeah, it's good now, I guess. So yeah. And what else? One thing I do not like as well is that this is not touchscreen. Like, this whole thing is not touchscreen. You would have to use this thing right here, scrolling wheel. So yeah, the interior is beautiful, the outside is beautiful. What else do I like? What else is not good with this car? I don't know anything. I just love this car, to be honest. I just got this car when I was 16. I'm 18 now. And yeah, like the space in the trunk is also good. There's like 5 modes, right, or like 6. There's slippery, there's individual. Individual is like where you can like configure it on your own like choice, right? Like how you want the suspension to be, how you want the exhaust to be, traction, etc., all that stuff. And then there's comfort, which is just comfort, like basically smooth. And what else? The comfort and the sport, like the yellow sport. I don't know. That's not full power, I guess. That's just like. And it's more like softer suspension as well. But there's Sports Plus, which is basically like everything max power. And then in this car you can drift as well, but I really don't do it because I don't want to mess up the axles or whatever. It's all-wheel drive. But yeah, can't drift like, you know, how you could do it on a rear-wheel drive car, but yeah. And the safety on this car, since it's a Mercedes, they prioritize safety. So good. Like you'll like brake free automatically if you like doing something wrong, or if there's like a car, how far will it notify you? So nice. And I love this digital thing, the speedometer and all this stuff. It just looks so nice. You could change between it. There's different type of looks for it. Also, what I don't like about this car, it's only a 4-seater, not 5-seaters, because like in the middle of the back seat, there's some stupid ass cup holder. That shit takes up all the space. So that's annoying. We got ambient lighting like under the panel right here, under the the door handles and all that stuff. Looks nice at night, but I wish they were more brighter, or more like there's more like of them, you know. Well, honestly, this car is nice. The sound system is amazing. If you ever had it's Burmester, I think. If you ever listen to it, it's perfect. Like the bass is amazing, and it just sounds like you're at a concert.